We got a loon out here. And then there's a bald eagle right there, which is kind of cool. Oh wow, he's like throwing his feathers into the water. Do you see that? Or he's eating something. He might have something. He's like picking the feathers. He's eating something and throwing the feathers into the water. There's a bald eagle eating. And there's a loon. And here's our dock. We still haven't cleaned up completely, but doing some grading. There's the new hockey sticks and the kitchen. And our dock. The loon's cool. We get bald eagles out front eating.